Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? We're going to be doing an honest review today of the Monument 2 Burner Griddle, folks. The Monuments, folks, and I've done some other stuff for Monument in the past, and they did contact me on this one, said, hey, we'd like to send you one of our griddles. Would you mind doing a review on one? And I said, yeah, sure. I'm going to tell you exactly what I think about it. Got it all. There's really not much to assemble here, folks, so there's really nothing to really talk about assembly. But we are down here in lovely scenic Florida. And what better thing to do when you're in the Sunshine State but do some griddling. So we're going to show you dimensions of this thing, talk about, walk around it, take a look at all the features, and you know what, we're going to do some baking. So let's get going. Let's take a look at this Monument 2 Burner Griddle. Right, first things first, what's the price? And there it is, $150 for a 2 burner griddle. That's everybody wants to know dimensions and specifications. This thing is 30 pounds, but the grill top does come off, so that'll make it a little lighter for you. But 30 pounds is very doable. So there's your dimensions. The griddle there to there is 20 inches, and front to back is 15. It is 2 burners, separate ignition on both of them, no batteries. They're saying it's it's 312 square inches, and burners, which is the key, we'll take a look at that, 7,500 BTUs each. So we'll be firing that up and see how hot it gets. So right off the bat, they do give you a hose, a nice long hose, and it actually has brackets right here that you just snap them right into. And doing this one-handed here, and it comes off just like that, and the other one comes off too, and you can hook it up to a 20 pounder just like that. And that's what we're going to do. Now that's what a lot of people do. Could you get an accessory there so you can hook it up to one of those smaller bottles? Yes, but that's a 2 burner, so it'd go through one of those little bottles, Coleman bottles, pretty quickly. Let's take the lid off and take a look at the real stuff. Right, you got 2 stainless steel H-style, and these have 5-year warranties on there. Then there is separate igniters here on both of them, and they are the click type where you just click that, and we'll show you how they operate. In the back, you can see the grease comes in there, and then it goes into this cup right here. Let's take a look at the griddle. 3mm cold rolled steel, and you can see it is reinforced on the bottom to keep it from the 2 feet in the back go in those slots right there. It doesn't lock it in, but it goes in there to keep it when you're using for moving it. Like I said, it's portable, so you're probably going to want to take that off separately. All right, 20 pounder hooked up. Starting it is super simple. Like I said, it's got that clicker in there, and you can you can't even see that's how efficiently it's burning, but it is burning down in there. And we're gonna let it go for a while, do a little bit of a burn in here, put a little canola oil on there just to season it up a little bit, and then well, the real seasoning is going to be with bacon. Right, just a couple minutes into it, folks. Now remember, these things do come with a protective coating to keep them from rusting. I did wash it off with soap and water on this side. The other side I left it on, and we're going to use the bacon. I said I was going to use canola. I'm not going to. Just going to use bacon. You can see where the grease is, where the grease goes out. So they've got a little slot in the back, and we got a little bit of wind here today too. So wind always affects our griddles. You can see we're in the 400s. The wind is coming from where you can see a little chillier over there. That's where the wind is coming in. But other than that, if I were to say that would be the hot side, only because of the wind, it's nice and warm. We're gonna get some bacon on there and start getting this thing ready, because I want to do some smash burgers on this. All right, that's about 3/4 of a pound of bacon. Walmart now sells these in 3/4 pound. It's not the best bacon in the world, but it's bacon enough, and it'll help the seasoning here. I just like keep on flipping them here. The reason for seasoning is to get it so it's non-stick, and bacon grease is probably one of the best ways. That's why I would never do this with really good bacon, like thick cut bacon. I would do it with a thinner cut, cheaper Walmart. You get the hint. Give you all cleaned up, pluses and minuses. Big plus is a lot of these grills don't come with a hose that hooks onto a 20 pounder. That's a plus. The H-style burners, the stainless steel, that's a plus. No cover, that's a negative. I'd like to see a cover on there. The grease management, I think, was fine. Having the smaller slot in the back worked just great. The weight-wise and everything, I think this griddle is going to work just fine. Let me know what your thoughts are. I would say for $150, It's worth every penny. Tom Horsman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.